happy. Hello y'all. So I actually I was planning to pull a prank on you, but I couldn't pull out my prank, so I instead show you what props I have in here to pull my prank. But this would be my first time me planning to make a prank video. However, I couldn't do it. I don't have the guts to make a prank video yet, so I cannot do it. Maybe next time. Yeah, so what I have in here is this. It's a trust. You know, you need to trust me. You need to trust me. Let's see what I'm gonna do with this thing. This is my first time buying a condom for supposed to be my prank video, but since that I couldn't crack my prank, then I'm just gonna do something with this thing. It's hard to open though. Improvised knife. Oh, smart idea. And oh, there's 3 things inside. Oh, there's this. Oh, I should have just pulled it to easily open it. However, I just noticed it right now. Oh, it's easy. Then you just have to open the plastic and then open it like that. There's 3 things. Threesome. Sino gusto mag-threesome dyan? Let's open one. We'll see how it looks like. And my main purpose why I bought condoms, because it's kinda trend. When I watch online, they use condoms to fill this with water and then drop it in on their head, and I wanted to try that. I wanted to play with this. There's an oil in it. There's grease or whatever. What kind of oil is that? Maybe olive oil. So this is how you wear it. You slide it in your thingy like this. Ooh. And then you're safe. You're safe. Hello. And so this is the first thing that I can use this for. Use this as gloves, so that when you're holding something dirty, your hand will not get dirty because you have a gloves. Aside from gloves, you could also use this as balloons. I make balloons out of these condoms. We'll try. Oh, is it gonna pop? Because it's like a kind of super thin. I'll try to make balloons. Yee, I'm scared. It might pop in my face. It's like a nipple. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, sino may birthday dyan? Happy birthday. Yay! I have balloons. And this is the balloons that I have. Yay, it's bigger now. It's bigger. The bigger the better. And then we can just close it. Oh no. And then we can fill it with water. Let's try. Let's water it. Let's water the balloons. I'll show you guys. Oh, no way! Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's ano. I'm going to make an ice. It's 5 pesos. 5 pesos ice. Oh no, it's not 5 because it's big. So maybe this ice will be 20 pesos. Yay! Already filled it with water. Yay! It's a huge. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to drop it over my head. I'm gonna try dropping on my head because I saw this game in TikTok and I wanted to try it. Yes. So I already filled this with water. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna I want to do this thing. Oh, I saw this in a TikTok. They drop it in their head and then they were like splashed with water. I wanted to. I'm gonna try it now. I want to experience this thing. Dropping my. I cannot carry it. It broke, guys. I haven't even like tried dropping it in my head, but it broke. Well, I have 2 more. Maybe I can double it so it will not break easily. I'll try to double it. And ta-da! Just like a small hut. So I have these 2. I'm gonna double it so it will not like break so easily. Well, if it breaks, then baby will be made. gonna break na because it's already double. Try to drop it on my hat. That's the purpose of this, is to fill it with water and drop it in my head. How I wish I have someone to drop this in my head right now. Then I'm gonna be shocked. And it's gonna cover my face. It might break my neck because it's kinda heavy. But maybe I'll take the knot off. I'm scared to drop it in my head because it might break my neck. My neck is so fragile. I'm gonna break the second coating. Yay! 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 Woohoo! This is the egg sack. I'm gonna try dropping it in my head now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. But I'll try. 1, 2, 3. No, your egg sack. Yes, 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 yo. Again. Let's try again. I hope you can see how I drip it. Game. I want this thing to wrap around my face, just like what I saw in the TikTok. They do it like this and this will wrap in their face. But I'll try. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, where is it? Oh, I feel it. It wraps around my head. Oh, redo it again. It's not fitting my hair. My head's so big for this. Game again. I want it again. 1, 2. It's so fun. I'm gonna take a shower with this. Oh my god. It's not yet broke, so we can still use it until it breaks. 1. 1. 1. 2. Saan na yun? 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And I'm gonna need to take a real shower after this. Oh. One, two. This is the best shower. So guys, that's all for now. I am done with my condomizing video. So thank you so much y'all guys for watching my video, and thank you for person who subscribed to my channels, and now I have 62 subscribers, and I hope you enjoy my video as I enjoyed doing it. And yes, and if you like my video, you can leave a like, and if you have something to say, you can just comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that's all, guys. And thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Babushing. Take care.